So boys and girls, on chapter 1, we're learning number concepts. Okay? Here is the first page. You just have to turn your other page around. Okay, it's the back side. This is show what you know. Okay? This is kind of, I want you to do it on your own, basically. Okay? But we'll kind of go over the directions together real quick, because you're showing what you know. Alright? Okay. The first part of show what you know says, write the number that tells how many. So you're going to write the number over here on the black line. Understand? Okay? You're going to write your number over here. Number 2 is the same thing. You do the counters and you write the number. Alright? Go ahead and do that. I'll wait for you. Go ahead and do that. The second part, boys and girls, says use a hundreds chart to count. It says count from 36 to 47. Which of the numbers below will you say? Circle them. So, if you start at 36, you find 36 on your boys and girls, and you can even circle it. Okay, find 36 and circle it. Find 36 and circle it. Then, go ahead and circle 47 also. Circle 47, because that's where you're going to go to. Okay. When you get it, go count them and then look and see which of these numbers down here on the bottom do you say when you're counting. Circle which ones you're going to say. Okay? You start at 36 and you go to 47. What numbers are you going to say? Will you say 42? Will you say 31? Will you say 48? Will you say 39? Will you say 37? Circle all the numbers you will say. There's more than one answer. Okay? There's more than one answer. There's more than one of those numbers that should be circled. Okay. We're going to count. And then you guys are going to look on here and say see if you say them. Okay? So we start at 36. Say 36. What's after that? It's 37 on those numbers that's on it. And circle it. Don't erase. Circle the one that you do. Did we say 37? Circle 37. Okay, 38, right, is next. Is 38 on there? No. What do we say after 38? Is 39 one of them on there? Circle it then. After 39 is what? 40. Is 40 on there? No. Okay? So we said 37 and 39. I want you to go now from 40 to 47 and figure out which other ones you should have circled. If you circled one you shouldn't have, you can erase it. Okay? You are writing how many tens there are. Okay? And then write the number. So, do you guys know what tens are? The tens blocks. Okay, how many tens blocks are there? But then what does that mean that number is? Okay? How many tens blocks is there, boys and girls? 4. What does that mean for that number? That means how many? 4 tens is how many? 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Count by tens. Okay? I want you to do that on number 5 too, but I'm not giving you the answer on that one. Count how many tens. Okay, when we write 57, there are 7 ones. right? Because 7 is in the ones place. So I want you guys to give me a different example. Can someone else give me a different example? Raise your hand. And a different number. Hudson? Give me a different number, boys and girls. Not like a huge number, but give me a number. Vivian? 42. How many ones is in the number 42? Or what number is in the ones place, I should say. What number is in the ones place in 42? 2. So we're going to say that. We're going to say 2 is in the ones. You're going to have to write small, boys and girls. Not really big. Place in 42. Listen. We have numbers, okay? Like numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All these only have one number. But when you get to 10, there's two numbers, right? Okay. The 0 is in the ones place. The 1 is in the tens place. So that means there's one whole 10 and no ones. Okay, but when you get to 11, then you have 1, 1. Look at the number. You have 1. This 1 is in the ones place. This is the tens place. Okay. So we're saying in the number 42, this 2 means there is in the 2 place in the ones place. Okay. 2 in the ones place. So you just have to write these words. 2 is in the ones place in 42. Just write the words. Just like this. No, that's not what I said. I want you to copy this on the board. If we're looking at this, now we want to talk about the tens place. Okay? So if we did 42 again, the number 42, what number is in the tens place in 42? How many tens is in 42, boys and girls? How many tens? Hudson? 4. This 4 is in the tens place. There's 40, right? We did that on the other page. 40 has 4 tens, right? 42. 2 is the ones. We said that right here. 2 is in the ones place. 4 is the tens place. Okay? So we're going to write 4 is in the tens place in 42. Okay, you're going to have to write small to get it all to fit. You can go a little bit below it though. All right, Grayson. 4 is in the tens place in 42. Is. I-S is. Well, the I. You guys are going to have to excuse handwriting for Mrs. Afternoon when it comes to writing on the board sometimes, okay? You got to listen to the words that I say too, not just my words that I write sometimes. I try to write neatly, but when you write on a board, this marker sometimes drags, so it doesn't always work exactly how I want it to. Right here, on the test. 4 is in the tens place in 42. I wrote a new one right here. 40, and you guys tell me there are 4 10s and 40. Kind of right, little neater for you. 4 10s and 40. Okay, now, boys and girls, on the bottom, oh, some of you still need to write the rest, but we'll do the bottom real quick, and then you can go back up and write the stuff that's on the fourth line, okay? Okay, so down here in the bottom, it says start with 1. They already put the 1 there for you. Count on by ones. So keep counting by ones. What's after 1? 2. Okay, so put the number 2 on the next one. No, they already have a 1 there for you. You put 11 and 12. You need to go just what's after 1. Then write 2, not 12. 2 right here. Okay. Get those numbers written down, please. You did this wrong, so don't do that. Okay. Yes, you do. How do you count every day? 1. In a minute. Do number 2 if you can. Okay. Then, boys and girls, it says start with 8 and count back. That means backwards, guys. Not forwards again. Not keep going bigger numbers. You're going to smaller numbers again. What number is before 8? And before that, and before that, and before that. Counting back. So like how you when the rocket gets launched, you know, and you count backwards. 10, 9, 8. That's counting backwards, okay? Count backwards by 8. Do the next number. And so you get all the way to the last one. I don't know what number it will go to. Actually, I do now, but I looked at the answers. Okay, then when you are done with that entire page, and if you have this last sentence written, I'll come by and grade it. All right, boys and girls, now here's the game that we will play with a partner. We will have to make sure we sanitize our hands before we go. Okay, and play. Or maybe we'll just play together, and you will have to show me. I will get you materials out. So I'm going to get you some base 10 blocks with 10s and 1s. It says choose a leaf, read the number on the leaf, use your base 10 blocks to model the number. Your partner will check the model. If your leaf is correct, you get to have a red dot. Take turns, try to get 3 red dots in a row. Okay, so I'm trying to kind of like make